Mix lemon and bicarbonate. And you will thank me when you know it. You can't imagine what this combination of lemon and baking soda can do for you. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you what I learned from this mixture. So stay with me in today's video to learn about the benefits of baking soda for your health, plus 4 extra tips on how to use baking soda for your health. Let me know from which city you are watching me from. You may have heard about this powerful mixture that comes from the combination of lemon and baking soda, especially in household cleaning. The combination of baking soda and lemon juice has many benefits for our health, including the ability to detoxify the body. Alone, these two substances have many beneficial effects, but when combined they can have an even more impressive impact on overall health. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, on the other hand, is rich in vitamin C and is related to strengthening the immune system and the diuretic effects of our body. In addition, lemon contains high concentrations of minerals and vitamins, which makes this juice, despite its bitter taste, very popular in the preparation of traditional home remedies. And although baking soda is technically a medicine despite its many uses in cooking, its alkalizing effect is part of treatments to relieve digestive problems such as heartburn. Folks, I would like to pause and pass on a message that is in Philippians 4 verse 7 says, "And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds in Christ Jesus." I.e., Jesus can grant us true peace, which is different from the peace that the world gives. In the world we find a peace that is fleeting, deficient and unable to fill us. The peace that comes from God is sufficient. It surpasses our understanding and holds our emotions and our mind in Jesus. This peace does not mean absence of problems, but it is the conviction that we are safe in the loving hands of the Lord. Let's continue the video. Baking soda can help to alkalize the body to bring its pH to homeostasis. Lemon juice mixed with baking soda is a simple remedy that has great benefits for our bodies. It offers vitamins and minerals that help prevent or relieve various diseases. To prepare it, you will need a glass of room temperature water of 200 ml, a dessert spoon of baking soda and the juice of half a lemon. This mixture has the property to alkalize the body. This helps, for example, to combat the acidity that can occur when the kidneys are not removing enough from the body, or when the body produces too much acid. Therefore, it is an excellent home remedy to take care of the kidneys, make their work easier, and also help detoxify the body and burn fat. So, have you learned anything new today? Thank you for watching so far. I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers and see you there. Bye.